blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'm a
and infotainment digitally at the comfort of your home, and cherish the unforgettable moments I have captured for my extended family on this remarkable visit. The journey starts with Ahmedabad, the city which was founded in 1411 to serve as the capital of the Sultanate of Gujarat. Sultan Ahmed Shah under British rule. The city is the venue of the world's largest stadium, Motera, and Namaste Trump event hosted with US President Donald Trump and G20. The event mirrored the Howdy Modi event held in Ahmedabad railway station, the biggest railway station within Indian state of Gujarat, and it connects to all metropolitan cities like Mumbai, Chennai. About to bound the Jan Shatabdi Express train to Kevadia, where the Statue of Unity, train number 09247, Ahmedabad, Kevadia, Jan Shatabdi Special, is the first and fastest train from Ahmedabad to Kevadia. The distance between Ahmedabad to Kevadia by this train